The ability to make clear strategic decisions under pressure is invaluable. Let's dive into the systematic decision-making framework that aids leaders in navigating complex scenarios effectively. One proven approach is the use of decision matrices, a method that fosters clarity and systematic analysis when stakes are high. Imagine that you're at the helm of a mission where every decision could be the difference between success and failure. This was precisely the scenario faced with the NASA during the Apollo 13 crisis. Faced with unexpected and potential catastrophic failures, the team employed a decision matrix to evaluate their options systematically. This method allowed them to prioritize problems, assess impacts of various solutions, and choose a course of action that maximized crew safety and mission success. The decision matrix breaks down the decision-making process into manageable steps. First, you list all the possible solutions to a problem. Then, you establish criteria that are crucial for making the decision. Each option is then evaluated and scored based on how well it meets each criteria. Finally, the scores are totaled, and the option with the highest score is selected. This structured approach reduces the influence of bias and emotion, which is crucial in high-pressure situations. John S. Hammond, Ralph Kadiner, and Howard Raffa, in their book Smart Choices, A Practical Guide to Making Better Decisions, emphasizes the importance of clarity and systematic thinking. They argue that the key to good decision-making is not just about making a choice, but how you frame the problem, generate alternatives, and evaluate them against the set of defined objectives. Incorporating such frameworks doesn't just apply to astronauts or engineers. It's equally relevant to business leaders, healthcare professionals, and even everyday lives. By adopting a systematic approach to decision-making, you can ensure a more consistent, effective outcomes even under the most stressful conditions. This method empowers you to cut through the noise, focus on what truly matters, and execute decisions with confidence and precision.